Hello friends, welcome to Swellen training session. In this lecture we will discuss about drilling operation. So let's start. In drilling operation we have a figure. You will see here the 40 dia stock and 50 length stock. You will see our stock value is 40 dia and 50 length, and the drilling length is 18 and the drilling diameter is 6, and after operation our object is look like this one. You will see. Now in next drilling operation, so this is the figure 40 by 50 stock and the 18 is drilling length, and this is the cutout view. Now the program. So Z00, X00, Z00 means here, Z01, X00, Z minus 3 means the cutout is here, but you will see the Z value is minus 3, in next the Z value is minus 6, in next Z value is minus 9, minus 12, minus 15, minus 18. Now the tool is move again. 00 means home position and M30 means the program end. So now we will check in ECAM software. So in turning lathe with live tool, OK. The diameter is 40, the length is 50 and OK. Now 2D view. In turning we have a drilling option is here, lathe central drilling. So the diameter is 6 and the depth is 18 and OK. So you will see the drill is here. I will give section view and 2D, so object is look like this one. Now I will click on simulation. So you will see the cutout is here. OK. Now in 3D, OK, and again simulation, you will see the drilling is here. Now in 2D view, OK, you will see this is the normal drilling. I will click on drill D6 mm. You will see the another option is here like central drill, chamfer, tap, reamer, counterbore, etc. Like I will hide this, unclick this, center drill, give the depth like 18. You will see the central drill is here. So same as central drill, the another option is also here like chamfer. The depth value is 18. OK. So now I will click just drill. OK. 3D view and off section view. OK. So this is the drilling program or drilling operation. Next we will back to slide. So in next lecture we will discuss about combine operation. Thank you friends.